Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick little demo on how to take your finished transparent image and save it as a 300 DPI high resolution image. I had noticed a question in the Etsy passive income group and I answered it, but I figured I would do a very quick little demo on exactly how to do that. So I hope you enjoy Buckethead in the background because I think that's what's probably going to play. So this is what we're going to do. We go to this says paint.net, but you're going to go to getpaint.net. Okay, paint.net will take you somewhere else. Go to getpaint.net. You download it, you install it, and it's totally free to use, and you open it up and you start using it. So that's what I have going on here. So you're going to open, and it'll bring you to your downloads or wherever it is that you've saved your image. And so I'm going to choose this one because I haven't saved that yet as a 300 DPI. And as you can tell, the background is transparent if you hover over it. Whereas if you hover over that one, you can see that's white. Okay, so that's transparent. It's a 4500 by 5400. And you can tell it is transparent right here. So we're going to go to image. I learned all this through Alicia's video, which has been very helpful for me. And so now I'm just going to kind of pass it along to you. So as you can see, this was saved originally as a 96 DPI. I'm just going to change it to 300 here. I'm not going to change anything else about the size. So I'm just going to hit OK. And then I'm going to save it. I'm going to do save as so that I could rename it 300 DPI for video, and that way I'll know exactly where to find it again, okay? Because we're going to check it. I tend to keep it at auto detect. Just going to save. And so now when I go back to check that out, here we go. Okay, we're going to close that out and we're going to open it right back up. We're going to go back to that picture. All right, open it back up. This is the one we just did. Click resize. And it did, in fact, save it as a 300 DPI, okay? Oops. So there you have it. I hope that helps you. So if you've gone and you've taken an image and you've made it transparent using other pieces of software and you found that it didn't save it as a high resolution, this is what your last step would be. So you go, you tweak your image using whatever programs you're going to use, but the final resolution save really should be done in getpaint.net. I hope this helps, and until next time, take care.